So here's Mastodon app, just a quick preview if you've never seen it before. Just like the interface, so the first tab is just where you see accounts which you follow. The second tab is just the search tab, basically like a discovery feed on Twitter. Yeah, it's a bit unusual because on Twitter you would just have all these popular posts which are here in the search button, you will just have them on home. But in Mastodon, it's kind of vice versa. So yeah, yeah, it just depends. You can only see people who you follow on the first tab. Then you can just go to any account. This is how it looks like. You can follow. You can see posts and replies, media, and about. You can share, you can mute, block, all of that. So you can see here. Hashtags, then you can just follow by hashtags. You can see some popular hashtags. There aren't like you see like millions of people here. It's not that, but yeah, that's basically the idea. And the core difference of Mastodon is that it's open source. It's not controlled by some huge company or something, and then you can create your own servers here. So this is your account. You can tap on gear icon top right, so you can see all the settings. And then you need to sign in online to Mastodon to create, to delete or create an account. Here you can post a new text. So there are polls, there are images, emojis. You can add a warning. You can change privacy. So kind of everything is similar. I think the app itself is a bit limited because you can do a lot of stuff actually online in the. Yep, sorry, I was just researching here. So here's the app. It's kind of similar to Discord, where you can create all these servers. Then you can just follow people. And I'm already logged in here with my account. So that's that. Then I can see notifications. Then I can see local timeline. I can see federated timeline, direct messages, favorites, lists, bookmarks, gear icons, advanced language. So that's that. Yeah, it looks a bit similar. And then here you just have this account. So that's basically how it looks like. Yeah, so something around it. It's kind of like one of alternatives for Twitter. But as you can see, a lot of people just can't figure out this interface. I must say it's a bit confusing in the first, but then probably you just got used to it. Probably similar as it was with Discord. In the beginning, some users, like older users, didn't understand it, but now in the time you kind of start to get it. So here it is. That's that. Hope this is helpful. This is one of the servers which you can see, but because this app is open source, you can actually create many other servers yourself, and basically I think you can like create your own social network using this open source code yourself. So it's kind of pretty cool. Maybe it's the future, but that's it. If you have any other comments, questions around it, I'm also just exploring the app. Just leave it below the video. Let's explore the app together.